PathPilot Quick Tips. Let's optimize the G-code window with the touchscreen capabilities that it has. Here we've got a file loaded. It's a rather complicated toolpath. It's kind of hard to view in many ways. So there's a View Options tab. You can select that. This shows just the tools that this G-code file uses. And you can selectively show the tool paths by turning them on or off. So like tool 117, for example, if I toggle that, you'll see it actually affects the display. So I can zoom in on a particular type of tool and check the tool path that way. While it's running, I can also just say, show only the current tool. That way the tool that's actually running in the spindle is the only one that's being displayed at the time, if you want to kind of track the context of the tool path in the program as it's running. Other options on this View Options tab are kind of optimized for touchscreens. So you can actually zoom the display with a touch screen, as well as pick different views or grid sizes. Back on the main G-code tab, you can also enhance this area for better visibility. One of the ways you can do it is by dropping this down and enabling G-code colors. So that provides some syntax highlighting to make it a little easier for your eye to visually parse the different types of G-code commands. Line numbers are often a really handy thing as well, and that's another option that's available under the menu. So if you show line numbers, suddenly you have a column with line numbers on it. And if you need a little more horizontal space, there's always this chevron, which expands and collapses that window. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel down here and check out more videos up here.